This video guide is about getting rid of the browser hijacker called Iamconvinc.online. This is a malicious website that tries to infect your Google Chrome browser or Mozilla Firefox or some other browser with the feature of permanent and really intrusive push notifications. The website Iamconvinc.online tells that you need to click on Allow button to close this page. And by the way, this website may also display pretty filthy information, not really suitable for children or younger parts of your family. And unfortunately, some people get these pop-ups without their intention. And obviously, these pop-up windows may be the result of some adware enabled in your computer, or simply they may come up on your screen as a result of visiting some malicious or hacked websites, which could redirect you to this filthy content. Stay away from clicking on the Allow button, because this is what the pop-up tries to do. It tries to make you click on Allow in order to start showing its multiple ads. If you click on Allow, your browser will be hijacked, you'll be forwarded to some other questionable content, plus you will be facing a lot of advertisements displayed in the right bottom part of your computer screen. To fix these issues, go to the menu of your browser, click on Settings, then scroll down to the Privacy and Security area, choose Site Settings. While you are in Permissions, select Notifications and pay careful attention to the bottom of the list that shows websites allowed to send notifications. If you find this site, Iamconvinc.online, remove it from this list. And to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, scan it with the program called Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Download the software and start researching your device to make sure that there are no any other hidden threats on your system. After you successfully download and install the software, start the application and choose your preferred scan type, such as Quick Scan, Full System Scan, or Custom Scan. Make your choice and click on Start Scan button. The application will begin scanning your computer, and at the lapse of some time you'll see the full summary of threats that were found during the scan. You may get back and go to the settings and choose the anti-ransomware feature that allows you to protect files in selected folders from being changed by ransomware or file encrypting malware. You may add a special folder to get your files protected in that folder. However, this feature is only the part of the premium version. So while Quick Scan is in progress, the program will keep letting you know about new threats that were found during the scan. And at the end of scan, you will see the summary of all threats that were identified. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect all sorts of infections that are currently available in the internet. This includes serious threats such as ransomware or malware or trojans, or threats related to browser-related problems, intrusive ads, pop-ups, browser redirections, and so on. To remove all these threats, click on Remove All Threats button, upgrade to the premium version, and get your files protected.